Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of OP coin, TIA coin, LDO, INJ and QNT coin. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of OP against the USDC on 1 day time frame. So if we discuss the OP against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in a downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 1.604 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 1.081. That was the strong support on 1 day time frame according to these levels. And if you look at these candles have already achieved the final target. So currently prices are moving at 1.081. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is a sell on new breakdown, and we will get breakdown when it will give closing below 0.787. So this will be the new breakdown level, and the second strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level is a 1.351 in this coin. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 1.351. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get the initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 1.351. So this 1.351 is very important level in this coin. The next coin is TIA. So if we discuss the TIA against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this falling triangle formation or pennant formation when it gave closing below 4.355 in this candle. After that, it exposed two targets on downside, where first target was a 2.999 that has already been achieved in these candles, and its final target is at 1.607. Currently prices are moving at 3.889. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is a 3.931. That is very close to its current prices. So you can go for exit into this coin at this level. You can go for selling or short selling into this coin as well as this level, and after that your target on downside will be first target at 2.999 and final target will be 1.607. That is the exposed target of this breakdown of this pennant formation. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. The next coin is LDO. So if we discuss the LDO, currently it is consolidating in a sideways zones, where the support of this sideways zone is 1.396, and the resistance of this sideways zone is 2.367. So currently prices are moving at 1.377. So it is just below its final support level. But this candle is not completely yet, so we will just ignore this candle for now. But in upcoming days, if the prices of LDO will sustain above 1.396, so we can go for buying into this coin at this level, that is 1.396, and after that its first target will be at 1.888 and final target will be at 2.367. But if it fails to sustain above 1.396 and it gives closing below 1.396, its prices will simply start coming on downside, where its first target will be at 1.075 and its final target will be at 0.900. So you need to make sure that you are aware of this 1.396 level. This level is very crucial into this coin, and this level will decide whether it will move on upside or whether it will go on its downside. So you need to keep this level, that is 1.396, in your mind always if you want to go for trading into this coin. The next coin is INJ. So if we discuss the INJ against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in a downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 118.41 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 10.80 that has already been achieved in this candle. Currently, prices are moving at 13.71. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this coin. The first strategy is sell on new breakdown. We will get new breakdown when it will give closing below 10.80. We can go for selling or short selling below this level. And the next strategy is a sell on strength, and that is strength level is a 16.90 in this coin. As if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is at a 16.90. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get early indication that this coin is going into its uptrend when it will give closing above 16.90. So this 16.90 level is very important level in this coin. The next coin is QNT. So I have opened the chart of a QNT on a 4 hour time frame. So if we look on the QNT against USDC on a 4 hour time frame, currently it is moving in its uptrend where it gave the breakout of this channel formation when it gave closing above 99.35 in this candle. After that, it exposed two targets on upside. First target is at 105 that has already been achieved in this candle, and its final target is at 115. So its buying level was 99.35 and its first two targets. The first target was 105 and final target is at 115. So we can expect that it will achieve its final target, that is at 115. So I have discussed these coins mostly on 1 day time frame. If you want to get their alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30-minute time frame, for such kind of alerts you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. So that's all for now. See you in next video.